Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, another day, we get to work on this 2023 Cadillac Escalade. Last time, we got a lot of work done. We got the upper radiator support bondoed, re-welded, double checked everything, and painted. So a lot of progress on that. Also, we painted the hood, the fenders, and that's it. That's all we need to paint. The bumper, I think, is gonna be good. So today, we're gonna hit the road and try to assemble this thing all together because we got a lot of wiring we gotta mess with. The windshield coil we have to put in there, a lot of stuff, radiators, condensers, coolers, everything like that. So hopefully we get it running on this video, and then we're gonna just see if the suspension is gonna be good, because right now we're slammed. Hopefully once everything's running, we'll delete all those codes and everything's gonna be good to go. But let's go ahead and start working.
Wow guys, this Cadillac interior is very nice. You know what else is nice? These Raycon earbuds. Introducing the everyday earbuds by Raycon. Raycon made a name for themselves with a premium audio for everyday earbuds. High quality audio with a battery pack of 32 hours and a perfect in-ear fit. A simple button touch feature includes play, pause, next song, previous song, voice assistant activation, answer end calls, reject calls. Honestly, great bass. I'm kind of blown away in the quality. Noise isolation and awareness mode. Great durability, sweat and water resistant. It's actually built to withstand the occasional left in the pocket, went through the washing machine cycle. Hey, that happens. Accidentally left outside in the rain or dropped in the pool, not a problem. The earbuds could last up to 8 hours of playtime. Honestly, some of the best fitting earbuds I've ever tried. Super easy to pair. You could actually walk up to 33 feet away from your phone and the sound quality is still top notch. Very affordable, great price. Variety of color options, including carbon black, electric blue, flare red, and rose gold. The Raycon everyday earbuds come with 5 pairs of silicone gel tips and 1 charging case for on-the-go charging. Raycon's anniversary sale is coming up now. This year, Raycon is turning 6. This past year, Raycon has expanded their entire business, including Raycon Home and Raycon PowerTech. To thank everyone who's shown their support in the past 6 years, Raycon is offering 20% off everything on their site, with some select products up to 40% off. Things get pretty loud at the shop, but hey, with the noise isolation, not a problem. So don't miss out and go to buyraycon.com/NicoBros and type in code BIRTHDAY to get 20 to 40% off. Hey, get yourself some today.
All right, so we got that installed. Might as well work on the other side. But before we do that, because I don't remember what actually goes over there. But we're gonna do maybe this back piece, make sure that goes on, because we got those pieces. And then we still got oil transmission lines to replace, things like that. But let's go ahead and get that installed and see how that turns out. All right, so there we have it. We got the radiator in, the cooler, the fans, the transmission. That was a pain getting all these lines in there. Also, we got the shutter valve in there. A couple little brackets, been doing all the wiring, make sure that everything clips in, but everything's clipping in where it should. Even though I did not take this apart, it's coming along really nicely. The next thing I want to do is actually put some water in here. We're going to start it, let it run, let it warm up, and go from there, because we still haven't seen if these airbags, the suspension goes up or not. Definitely want to see that before we put the fenders on. And the final stuff, there's everything like that. Once we put the fenders on, we'll be done. So let's go ahead and top it off and get this thing started. All right, just like that, we got the front end kind of assembled. We're still missing a couple little pieces, but so far the gaps and the fender's looking good. The paint, I think, is matching up really nice, which is really good. That means we probably don't have to blend it onto the door, which saves us a lot of time. Unfortunately, we got the wrong transmission line.
Oh no.
So I thought this was the transmission line, because there's two on both sides, but apparently this is the oil cooler line, and we don't have that. So, and we put together the front end, so it might be a pain to put together, but everything else kind of went together pretty nicely. The condensers in there, the transmission cooler, which we thought we needed, was good. We put coolant in it, let it warm up. It warmed up. We got heat going on. It's running good. AC we still got to charge, so that's not a big deal. We got the headlights hooked up. The headlights are working, but still the air suspension is not working on this thing, which is not good. We hooked up the scan tool. We're still not getting, nothing false there. The other thing we have issue is we're still waiting for our wire harness, because that's still chopped. Well, I found this one. I don't know where this one goes, so we got to figure that out. This one's to the bumper, which we can splice. That should come in a day or so. But other than that, it is coming along. Unfortunately, I thought it'd be a lot more done than we, got. But I don't know. What do you think, Michael? It's not bad.
It's not bad. I mean, it's definitely a very high dollar car, so it's gonna take time. It's not just gonna slap it together to make sure it's right, and yeah. So that makes sense.
But unfortunately, that's all the time we got for this car right now, because I got a little road trip set up with the Bronco. You guys remember we rebuilt a Bronco and we never took it out. So finally, I'm gonna take it out. We're gonna go with the guys for the weekend with the kids, and we're gonna go to Outer Banks. It's like a 7-hour drive one way, which we've never done in the Bronco. That's gonna be interesting. And then we're gonna do some dry camping. So we're gonna camp in the sand on the beach, which sounds exciting.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna hopefully not drive in the salt water, because we do not want to get it
rusty. Yeah, I think it's like 5,000 miles on it. It's brand new.
So I'm excited. It's gonna be a nice little road trip, get away, take a break from this thing. Hopefully this thing's gonna get all those parts, and be exciting. So let's go ahead and hit the road. All right guys, before we actually hit the road, we got some Raycons, because those tires are gonna be loud, and that system in that Bronco is kind of quiet. There's little speakers, and with that hard top, it's not that insulated. So we're gonna use some Raycon earbuds.
Oh yeah, every day.
To drown out the noise. Plus, I'm going with my kids, so sometimes you just need some,
noise isolation.
Noise isolation in the morning when they're gonna, be fishing, and I'm just gonna be hanging out. So let's hit the road and enjoy these guys. right, guys, I just came back from my trip. These were awesome. Definitely worked great in the Bronco itself. The kids were watching a movie while I was just enjoying some music, you know? But yeah, I came back from the trip. Michael, unfortunately, I went in the water.
I seen that, Ivan, yeah.
A lot. I went in like, probably to like right here.
Dang.
You know, I went into the ocean. It was low tide, and I just, you know, we went a little bit, and a little bit more, and a little bit more. And then I saw an island, and I'm like, I'm going to the island, you know, why not?
Dang, that's crazy.
So this thing did really good. The only bad part is, guess the gas mileage.
Probably pretty bad with the 38s. That's
Like 13 miles to the gallon.
Wow.
Like, I barely made 200 miles. We had to pull over halfway, get gas, get there, get gas, full tank on the island, and guess what happened on the island?
get gas.
I almost ran out of gas.
Wow.
Like, on the last, look, just because the island's about 25 miles long, 22 miles long, and we went to the other side. By the time I got there, I used up a quarter tank.
Wow.
And I'm like, I didn't even do any driving, just sliding around.
Dang.
But this thing did really, really good. This body, I mean, after all the, I mean, I think I got some air in one of those jumps. And look, it did good. I mean, there's nothing, the suspension held up really nice. These wheels, these tires, had to drop the air pressure down. I mean, I've done sand riding, so it's not too bad. But the Bronco did good. It like stayed together. All these lighting at night was on par. You know, Oracle lighting, definitely. If you want to see it, like, let's just say I lit up a lot of tents. I think I made some people, you know, mad. But I wanted to see, you know, like you're just riding, you see everything.
Oh yeah.
So it's really cool. Unfortunately, that's all the time we got for this episode, you guys. Give us a comment down below. We got to finish that Escalade. Hopefully next time the parts should have came in and we get this thing knocked out. And actually, we bought something new, which is I'm really excited about. We still got to pick up.
Big project.
Big project. Hopefully it's going to be good. But we'll catch you guys next time.